Hey, this is Jeff Rose, GoodFinancialSense.com with another good financial tip for you. The financial tip is this: reasons why you should hire a CPA versus a tax prepare package in a box or hiring one of these franchise local accountants. This is actually more of a personal experience of mine. Whenever I returned from Iraq, I had 2 years of taxes to file. And we went to one of these local chains, or I should say national chains, that are located here within our area. And when we went there, we presented all our tax documents. The person filled in all the numbers. We ended up getting a tax refund, a pretty good one at that. So we were pretty happy. But the one thing that we didn't get was we didn't get anybody asking any questions as far as, you know, if we had any goals or any objectives or anything that was coming up with my business that, you know, we should be thinking about as far as, you know, preparing for those type of taxable situations. And I got to a point in my life where I wanted to start networking with some CPAs, so I found one locally and decided to hire this person to do our own taxes. And sitting with that CPA for one meeting, I quickly learned why I needed a CPA. Night and day difference. You had somebody there that was versed on the tax code, that could do more than just fill in the numbers. They could actually ask you the right kind of questions as far as what you kind of had planned in the next year with your business, with your family, with anything that's going on. And we got so much more out of it. And the funny thing, the funny thing about it was what we paid was not much more than what we paid at the local chain accounting firm. So we got so much more out of it. We still got a nice return, and more importantly, we got advice that we could actually apply, you know, to our lives and to our tax situation. And that's huge. So that's my good financial tip for you. If you're thinking you're trying to save a few bucks by, you know, buying something online or using something a little bit cheaper, you know, make sure that you need more. I mean, because you'd be amazed on how much more information you could get by using a CPA that knows everything about the tax code. This is Jeff Rose, Good Financial Sense, with another good financial tip. See you soon.